Studio microphone emoji. Host, welcome to the Steel Construction Detailing Podcast, where we explore cutting-edge solutions in the AEC industry. Today, we're diving into point cloud to BIM services, a game changer in digital construction. Satellite antenna emoji. What is point cloud to BIM? It's the process of converting laser scan data into accurate 3D BIM models, ideal for renovations, retrofitting, and facility management. Building construction emoji. Why choose it? Black check mark emoji. High precision as built models. Black check mark emoji. Seamless Revit integration. Black check mark emoji. Clash detection and design optimization. Black check mark emoji. Faster project delivery and reduced costs. Small blue diamond emoji. At Steel Construction Detailing, we specialize in delivering detailed, Revit-compatible BIM models from scan data, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. Envelope with arrow emoji. Need precise BIM solutions? Contact us today. Headphone emoji. Stay tuned for more insights on BIM and construction technology. #PointCloudToBIM. Rocket emoji.